How to create AI graphics using Microsoft Designer. First, open your web browser and go to designer.microsoft.com. Then sign in with your Microsoft account or create one for free if you don't already have one. Once you're on the homepage, click Create with AI or Generate Image, depending on the current interface. Next, enter a detailed prompt describing the graphic you want to create. For example, type a modern YouTube thumbnail with a blue background, glowing AI robot, bold text, and a futuristic technology theme. After entering your prompt, choose your preferred design size or aspect ratio, if those options are available. Now, click the Generate button. Microsoft Designer will create multiple AI graphics based on your prompt. Once the designs are ready, choose your favorite one. You can edit the text, replace images, change colors, adjust fonts, or add icons and shapes using the built-in editor. Finally, click Save and Copy and choose your preferred format, such as PNG or JPG, to save the graphic to your computer and download it. That's it. You've successfully created AI graphics using Microsoft Designer. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe,